In this YouTube video, we explore Canva's powerful text-to-image generation feature. With text-to-image, you can bring your imagination to life by transforming simple text descriptions into stunning visuals. Say goodbye to the struggle of finding the perfect image. Just type your desired concept and watch as Canva generates professional photos, 3D images, drawings, and more. Whether you need visuals for social media, presentations, or any other creative project, text-to-image has got you covered. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content and tutorials, empowering you to unlock your creative potential. Get ready to unleash your creativity with Canva's text-to-image generation. Let's dive in and transform your designs.